setTimeout and clearTimeout function in JavaScript. The setTimeout and clearTimeout functions in JavaScript are used for handling time-related operations, such as delaying the execution of a function or cancelling a previously scheduled timeout. setTimeout function is used to execute a function or a piece of code after a specified delay in milliseconds. For example, this is a function greet. Inside this I write a good night. Then in a variable, const delay id equals setTimeout and pass the function greet and a time of 3000 milliseconds, means 3 seconds. This function will execute after 3 seconds. And after this I write console.log, hello coders. Now this line execute first and after 3 seconds this function is execute. In this, greet function is scheduled to run after a delay of 3000 milliseconds. Similarly, clearTimeout. clearTimeout function is used to cancel a timeout that was previously set using setTimeout. It take the timeout id returned by setTimeout, means this variable delay id. I write clearTimeout and pass delay id. Now here before the timeout is reached, clearTimeout is called with the timeout id, and it cancel the scheduled timeout. And the delayed message is not logged.